Hello everyone, Ryan here. In today's video, I want to share that we have partnered with Bizee. If you use the link in our description to sign up with them, we will earn a referral fee at no additional cost to you. It's a great way to support our channel while you kick off your own business journey. Welcome to our guide on how to start an LLC in California. Today, in just a few minutes, I'll walk you through the entire process of forming your own limited liability company in the state of California using Bizee. I'll provide you with all the up-to-date information and tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to form your LLC using Bizee. So let's dive right in. So why Bizee? Bizee is an online platform that simplifies the process of forming and managing your LLC in California. With Bizee, you can complete the entire LLC formation process from the comfort of your own home, without the need for expensive legal fees or complicated paperwork. So to form your LLC with Bizee, first we would have to navigate to bizee.com. You can use the link in our description box down below. And then from there, click on Start Your Business button and select California from the state drop-down menu. And then for the entity type, we want to select LLC, of course. So select that from the drop-down menu and let's continue. So after selecting the entity type and the state that you want to form your LLC in, you get to choose between 3 different packages. All of the 3 packages will get your LLC formed, but with each option you can get more or less add-ons depending on which ones that you need. And selecting any one of these packages with Bizee will actually yield more value for you. So for example, starting with the silver package, you will not be paying anything extra besides the state fees, and those you would have to pay them anyway. So for California, you would have to pay $75 for the state fee. And if you take the silver package, you're not going to pay anything extra, so $0 plus the $75. And with this package, you will still get your free registered agent service for a full year. You will get the preparing and filing the articles of organization and all of the different stuff that come with this package. And if you go with the gold package, you would have to add an extra $200 plus $75 state fee. And with that, you would get some add-ons such as your EIN, business tax number, lifetime compliance alerts, the IRS form and the operating agreement, and so many more. So let's say for this example, I'm going to continue with the gold package. From there, you will be redirected to name your LLC. So enter your desired LLC name, ensuring that it complies with California naming requirements. Bizee will automatically check the availability of your chosen name. If your preferred name is unavailable, you will need to choose an alternative. After that, you will have to select the state filing time. The normal state filing time would be 4 weeks, and this is the free option. However, you could speed things up to only 8 business days filing time if you want to pay an extra $50. And then you would get an estimate as to when this would be ready if you select this option. If you're not in a rush or you want to save some money, definitely go with the free option. So choose that and then hit next. After that, Bizee asks you to provide a contact person just in case they needed some additional information. So go ahead and enter those details. This could be any contact person that you choose, maybe a member of the LLC or yourself. The next step is to enter the company address information. If you want to keep your personal address private and maintain a physical presence even if you're not physically in the state of formation, then go ahead and choose the professional business address and virtual mail service. This is a service that is offered by Bizee. However, you would have to pay $30 per month for this service. And if you choose not to continue with this option, then you could use your own address. It would have to be a physical address that is located in the state of California. Now, of course, you would have to understand that when you submit your LLC, if you choose to continue with your own address, then that location would be made public when submitting the form to the IRS. It is part of the process. So if you're fine with that, click on that option and then provide your address details and click next. However, if you choose to continue with the virtual address provided by Bizee, then you would still have to enter your own address, but this will not be made public. This will simply be used for the delivery of any documents or products related to your order, and it is used only for internal purposes. After that, you would have to choose between the premium service packages. You can see what's included in this package. So for example, right here, we can get business contract templates, the fast filing service that we talked about. So instead of 4 weeks, it would only take 8 days. In addition to that, you would have a domain name plus the business email address. And all of these services combined would add up to $240 in value. So you could get these services in the package for only $150. And if you take a look at the right, you could see your order summary, what's included so far. So as you can see from my case, I have chosen the gold package, which adds up to $199, California state fee for $75, the business address service, and then you would see what else is included. So as you can see, these right here are for free, or they come as part of the package that I chose earlier, and the total for me would be $303. It's a good thing to always keep an eye on this right side and see how your order is adding up. And this is a good thing to keep an eye on just in case you have added something by accident, or maybe you have omitted something. So if you want to, you could click on get upgrade and bonus. Otherwise, choose no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. So I'm going to pass on it, and then after that there is the please provide members information. You will have to select how many members there are or owners for the LLC, and the moment I'm the only owner, so I'm going to select one. And then you would have to enter some details about the members of your LLC. So if it's a company, choose the option, otherwise choose individual and then provide their own details. So their first and last name and then their address. You could also choose the selected virtual address by Bizee if you have continued with the option earlier. And now for the registered agent information. When it comes to forming an LLC, almost every single state requires to appoint a registered agent. And with Bizee, you can get up to 1 full year of registered agent service for free. This would add up to $120 in value. So definitely grab that free offer, and then after that you could cancel the service and sign yourself to be your own registered agent. Or maybe you could hire someone else, so you could do whatever you want here. So I'm definitely choosing this option and then clicking next. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your EIN or tax ID number formation. That is assigned to you by the IRS and is used to identify any taxpayers. So if you're a foreign individual and don't have a social security number, click on yes. Otherwise, click on no and provide your social security number in this tab right here, along with your first and then last name. Enter your physical address details again and click next. Next up, you'll be prompted to set up a small business banking. This option is good if you want to separate your business and personal banking accounts. So as you can see right here, you can open up a bank account with Relay. So if you do want a banking address with this integration between Relay and Bizee, then choose yes, I'm interested. Otherwise, ask me later. After that, you could choose to continue with a free consultation with Bizee. It is completely free, so in case you choose to continue with this, then you would click on yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. And through that, you would get to learn how your LLC is taxed, how to choose the proper IRS tax election. If you don't know all these things already, then click on I'm not interested this time, otherwise choose the other option. And finally, you will be taken to this page where you would have to review your order for your LLC. Just to double check that everything is right, from the formation information to the contact info and every other thing that we chosen earlier. If everything checks out, click on next, and now you'll be prompted to enter your billing information. You can choose to pay with PayPal, otherwise with your credit card. Onto the right, you would see your order summary, see how much you would have to pay for the session. So as you can see in my case, if you followed along and for example chose everything that I did, you would have to pay $303. So as you can see, by using Bizee's user-friendly platform and the guided process, you can easily create your LLC very quickly. Not to mention how affordable it is without the need for any costly legal fees or complicated paperwork. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you found it to be helpful or informative to watch, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.